See, basically, my name is Shmir Hussein. This Vajra and Trishool, both I found in Philippines. The first thing I found Vajra. After 2 days, I found this Trishool. Then from there, I took to Dubai, and from Dubai, I brought it to India. The reason was coming to India because it belongs to India, Hinduism. That's the reason, and my mind made. I got a lot of things like lot of opportunity. Lot of people told me to sell this, that outside auction. Why are you taking to India? But I wanted this thing to bring to India and show the people. Each and normal people also should know that Shiva Trishool is existing and it is with me.
What next, sir?
Next is not at plan. This was a general press conference which I just wanted to describe and let the people know about that what I am having and what I am holding. And
what about the common people? If they have to come and watch this, how
that thing will decide. Our team will decide. Like, my team is there. Like, my brothers are there. My cousins. Let's see what best. Otherwise, any opportunity is coming from government or to do this way, or I will make a big event where every individual can see from my hand how you people are seeing. Let them come and see and do the darshan also.
Any plans of planning of like giving to someone, or like if somebody wants to purchase, because we do find a lot of people
purchase. If I wanted to sell, I would have sent it from Dubai itself to America, London, anywhere around the world. From Philippines bringing to India via Dubai, keeping Dubai also in some 15-20 days just to sell there. Then again bringing to India, again talking about sale thing means not yet decided about anything.
ETV भारत के लिए बेंगलोर से रफीक जब्बार की रिपोर्ट।